It's just milk, thank you. Alright. Sir Dudski, dito ulit ako sa bahay mo. Ayan, isa pa. Ayan. Jindy Dan, sabi ni sis, just milk. Ayan, si sis Jindy, nagla-live din yan early morning, guys. Early morning, 4 a.m. Salamat sis Jal, sabi ni sis Jindy. 27 thumbs up. Maraming salamat sis Am. Thank you so much. Alright. Playing ulit yung dalawa sa'yo, Sir Dudski. Dudski the Explorer, fully watch and tamsak dikit from Hosagio channel, Hosagio po ba ninyo? Salamat po. Hindi talaga Hagio. Ayan, secret na yung totoo kong pangalan. Yung mga friend ko sa Facebook, yun, alam nila yung pangalan ko. Ay, maraming salamat sa 15 months. It's just milk. Thank you very much. Thank you so much sa pag-renew, Tito Koy. Alright. Ayan, Sir Dudski. Mag-change tayo ng ipitin, ha? May hindi pa ako naidikit sa'yo, balik ka next time. Pag hindi ka busy. Ayan, change pin tayo, guys. Ayan, lablabin nyo din, guys. This is just milk. Marami ding banana yan. Marami. Alright, Sir Manny, baba ka din ng bahay mo dyan, Sir Manny. Dan Connect Just Milk, sabi ni Sir Nature. Thank you so much, Sir Nature. 28 Tamsak PC, thank you so much. Is ayan, ito yung kanyang kabahayan, guys. Lablabin mo siya. At guys, magandang Pilipina din po, guys. Oo, guys. Magandang Pilipina din po, guys. Si Koy Just Milk. Ayan. At napakabait din ito, guys. Oo, guys. Yan, matagal ko na siyang member. Yan, Ma'am Jillian, thank you so much, Ma'am Jillian. So, lablabin nyo guys, it's just milk. Ayan, Ma'am Jindy, good evening po, sabi ni Sir. Ayan, sa nakapin natin guys. Sa mga need ng banana, puntahan nyo yan. Alright, on the way sa'yo si Sikoy.